In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on notifications on your Telegram group. So if you're not receiving notifications on your group and you're the group admin, then it means that your group's notification settings is turned off. To turn it on, just go ahead and tap on your group to open. And then you can see the name of the group on top here. Go ahead and tap on it again. Now, as you can see, we have notification and the setting of notifications is set to off. To turn it on, just toggle this button. And now the notifications have been turned on. From here henceforth, you will now receive notifications on your group whenever a member posts. So that's how you turn on notifications on your group in Telegram. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.